It's SEMA 2025 and we're checking out all sorts of cool new products while we're here. And we're here with Brett from Flaming River, and they brought something for you late model F-body guys. You brought some cool stuff this year.
This is our new bolt-in rack and pinion cradle kit for 82 to 92 Camaro. Unique thing about our kits is that we utilize the steering box holes and the idler arm holes to bolt this assembly up under the car. And then if you notice on the front here is what we call our travel bar design. This utilizes our own inner tie rod ends, but you do use the factory adjusting sleeves and outer ends. And what this does is it locates the original geometry of the drag link, puts the car in a position where you're not going to run into ill handling and things like that, no matter ride height, tire sizes, things like that.
Not only do you guys have something for the bottom of the steering, but you have something for inside the cabin as well. So let's talk about that, because that is a cool looking piece.
So this is our new column for the 88 to 92 Camaro. Most of our kits come complete. So we do provide the column, the U-joints, the shafting, the pump, reservoir, all those kind of things, or you can use the factory stuff. We always try to integrate the column with the rack and pinion kit. Unique thing about our columns is mounts on the column tube, relocate the column in the factory dash mount, aftermarket floor mount, replaces that original steel piece that maybe somebody lost if they're getting into a full restoration. Last year we introduced the 88 to 92 C10, and that is the wiper column, kind of our next generation column. Push button for the dimmer, tilt, turn signal hazard, 3 different finishes, black, chrome, and paintable. Yeah, our cradle kits have gotten pretty extensive at this point in time between the C10 trucks and C3 Corvettes, 1st-gen Camaro, 2nd-gen Camaro, Mustangs. We probably have at least a dozen or 2 different kits, manual and power as well.
That is cool. So if you're looking to bring your steering into the 21st century, head over to summitracing.com and see the full selection of Flaming River parts. Thanks again, Brett, and I can't wait to see what you guys bring to the show next year.
Thanks.
Yeah. Until next time, I'm Justin with Summit Racing. We have Brett here from Flaming River, and we'll see you guys later.